The 1969 GM XP-511 Commuter Car was a pioneering concept vehicle developed by General Motors during a period of increasing awareness about fuel efficiency and urban mobility. This unique three-wheeled car was part of General Motors' experimental program to create vehicles tailored for city commuting and short suburban trips. The XP-511 was rooted in General Motors' earlier 1964 concept, the runabout, a futuristic non-functional prototype. By contrast, the XP-511 was fully operational and featured a tricycle layout with a single front wheel for steering and two rear wheels providing power. This design ensured excellent stability, aided by its low center of gravity and compact 86-inch wheelbase. The vehicle's aesthetics were overseen by Larry Shinoda, the renowned designer behind the Corvette Stingray and other iconic General Motors projects. Shinoda brought a sporty elegance to the XP-511, blending aerodynamics with futuristic styling. The car featured a triangular nose, side air intakes, and a sleek tail reminiscent of the Corvette C3. Its unique sliding dome-style door emphasized innovation while maintaining practicality. Shinoda's touch elevated the XP-511 from a mere commuter car to a visually striking concept. Powered by a 1.1-liter Opel four-cylinder engine producing 67 horsepower, the XP-511 was paired with a 3-speed automatic transmission. The rear-mounted engine provided sufficient performance for urban commuting. Engineers tested two steering mechanisms, a handlebar system with a 2:1 ratio and a more conventional steering wheel with a 9:1 ratio, showcasing flexibility in design. Despite its innovative design and Shinoda's influence, the XP-511 never reached production. In the late 1960s, consumer preferences leaned toward larger, less fuel-efficient vehicles, leaving little market demand for compact urban cars. However, the XP-511 laid the groundwork for future exploration into urban mobility, inspiring modern electric microcars and sustainable transportation solutions. The XP-511 remains a testament to GM's forward-thinking approach and Larry Shinoda's ability to marry functionality with bold design. It is a fascinating chapter in automotive history, showcasing innovation ahead of its time.